In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Binance account. Whether you're moving away from cryptocurrency trading or simply looking to switch platforms, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with clarity and ease. First, we'll start by navigating to the Binance homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the official Binance URL, which is www.binance.com. This is the cryptocurrency exchange platform dedicated to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of altcoins. Once the page is loaded, you'll want to ensure you are logged in with your account credentials. Logging in will grant you access to the necessary settings to close your account securely. Next, you'll need to tap on your profile icon. This icon is conveniently located at the top left corner of the home screen. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu that provides you access to various account management features. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it houses important account settings and other personal information. From the drop-down menu, you'll scroll down until you find the Settings option, and then click on it. This will direct you to a new page designed for managing different preferences and configurations of your account. Navigating here is an essential step since the account deletion option resides within this section. Make sure you take your time as you scroll to avoid any confusion caused by the abundance of features and options. Once you're in the settings, continue by clicking on the Delete option. This is where attentiveness really comes into play, as you'll want to ensure you're carefully selecting this option. It's pivotal for proceeding with the account deletion process. Keep in mind that deleting your account is irreversible, thus you should be entirely certain about your decision before moving ahead. Afterwards, you'll be given the option to choose a reason for your account deletion. This step is optional but provides valuable feedback to Binance that can assist them in understanding user concerns and potentially improving their services in the future. Feel free to select the reason that corresponds best to your decision or skip this if you prefer to keep it to yourself. Finally, to complete the process, click on the Continue button. This will finalize your intentions and prompt Binance to execute the deletion of your account. Double-check before you proceed, because once your account is deleted, all your data and access to Binance services will be lost permanently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to deleting your Binance account. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully close your account without any issues. Remember to ensure your decision is final, as the deletion process cannot be reversed. Thank you